Hello all. Today we will talk about vlookup function. Vlookup function help us to extract values from one table to another table with respect to one unique column. Here we have two tables. One is sales bucket ranking, which contains bucket wise ranking. Another table containing sales record of salesperson, but it does not contain any record of ranking. So today we will be fetching the ranking information from this table, bucket ranking table, to sales record table. So let's start. We lookup value. This is the lookup value which we will be looking into this table. So select this, comma, table array. In from which table we want to fetch the record. So from this table we want to fetch the record. So select the whole table, put comma, column index. So from this table, the value which we want to fetch is available in which column? So here it is available in column 2. Put 2, comma. Select true value for approximate match because this column does not contain the exact value with respect to this bucket column. Close the brackets, put enter. So here you see this 674 product has been sold and the ranking for that is C. So 674 comes between this to this. So from 700 it starts B. So from 500 to 500 to 700 it is C. So it is giving us C. Drag it to the end. So here is a little error. Why? Because for these values the table is going beyond the selection. So to resolve this we need to fix the target table. Double click on it, press F4. So F4 is to fix the table array. Enter. So now this is fixed. So we have all the rankings with respect to salesperson, which is having these many products sold. So in my next video I will talk about conditional formatting. Thank you.